Let's listen to black holes. NASA released sonifications of 3 black holes, converting data into sound so we can literally hear them. WR-124. 28,000 light-years away, this massive Wolf-Rayet star may one day collapse into a black hole. The nebula sounds like flutes, background stars like bells, Chandra's X-ray sources like a harp, and Webb's data like metallic chimes. SS-433, a binary system 18,000 light-years away consisting of a star and either a black hole or neutron star. Orbital motion causes X-ray oscillations. In the sonification, bright background stars sound like water droplets, while the system itself produces a pulsing, plucked tone. Radio, infrared, and X-ray data correspond to low, mid, and high frequencies, respectively. Centaurus A, a galaxy 12 million light-years away containing a giant black hole that emits a jet stretching across the entire galaxy. In the sonification, Chandra's X-ray data sound like wind chimes, IXPE's X-rays like a soft breeze, and the galaxy's stars are represented by string instruments.